Hi, welcome to this series of energy recovery practices. Energy is something that so many of us want more of, when in actual fact, a lot of the time it's about how we use our energy rather than how much more we need. That's why I created these energy recovery practices. The clue is in the word recovery. It's about learning how to call your energy back in, how to open up energetic channels so the energy is flowing more efficiently, and how to keep your energy with you and how to notice energy leaks. So it's just natural that as we go about our daily tasks and function, small parts of our energy are always going to be lost into the atmosphere. They get caught up in conversations, thoughts, or meetings when we're with other people. If we've been at an event where there's a lot of people, we can lose a lot of our energy and take on other people's energy. And the fact that a lot of us travel so much now also affects our energetic aura. Every time we go on a plane or travel somewhere extremely fast, we need to recover our energetic aura afterwards, which does take a little bit of time, but these practices are really going to help speed that process up. Some of the practices I recommend are best to do in a private space, especially in the beginning whilst you work on your energy. But once you're familiar with them, some of them I do recommend that you can do in the office or on a train and in public. But in the first instance, it is really important to create an intimacy with your own energetic imprint. And once you start to recognize your energy frequency, it makes it a lot easier for you to attract it in. Also, just be really mindful that your energy is one of your most precious resources, and you can choose where you want to spend it. So be conscious about the conversations and the actions. Really tune into, are you just being busy in inverted commas over being productive? And when you don't need to extend energy out, then you can always come into a creative practice and really bring your energy back into you and use it in a way which really honors it. So I hope you find these practices useful, and thanks for listening.